I tried to get my car in the driveway and I couldn't get down the two so now I'm stuck.
One down, two to go. This is great.
Just to get the snow off the eaves so it doesn't ice dam and tear the edge of the roof off or the shingles. This is the most I've seen since 68, 69. And the same thing on the mountain. I was up on snowshoeing on the mountain yesterday and there's a lot of snow up there.
Well, it shouldn't be parking on the roads. That'd help a lot. I've probably pushed about 10 cars out of the banks today already and up and down hills, so if everyone could just stay off the road while we widen the street, that'll help out a lot.
Hey, it's great weather for it. Supposed to have a soccer game today, but canceled. It's a good alternative. Get out here in the open. It's very nice.
Our neighbor here got stuck, so my boys are trying to help pull him out. Just neighbors helping neighbors, you know, Spokane.
I got it.
Oh, I'm doing just fine. My car's in the garage all nice and not snowed.
And I am stuck and I am a block from home and a lot of nice people are helping.
As Larry the cable guy said, get her done.
I'm going south Tuesday. Yeah, it's I haven't seen this much for what, 15 years? You can deal with 2 or 3 days, one right after another, but not the same, not all in the same day.
I love it, but it's a pain in the neck. It'd be much better just sitting on a deck watching it than having to be out shoveling it. We have good neighbors to help each other out.
Okay, you got a shovel.
As someone pointed out the other day, all-wheel drive and all-wheel stop are something different.
Yes,
you know.
so true.